Hey guys, Dr. Brady here. We are here with Juliet, our chiropractic intern. She's in chiropractic school right now. She just finished a rough quarter of chiropractic school, so we're going to get her adjusted, get her all tuned up, and see what school's been doing for her. So for her especially, you can feel that upper back nice and tight up there from being hunched over with the books and computers. And learn to adjust people. So let's see what's going on with Jules here. Yeah, definitely right in this mid back, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah. So we got some right in there. We're gonna do that on her back. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Okay, not too bad. Alright, so we definitely have this left pelvis over here, nice and stuck on this side, as well as this L5 right down here. So we're going to start with her left pelvis. So you're going to go on your side, facing me. Now she's sitting down a lot with school, so that's most likely where a lot of that's coming from. Sitting's just rough for your low back. And then Christy come in just a little bit more. And we're going to go right there. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Other side for me.
Needed that.
Yeah, no kidding, huh? Okay, so we got this one here. Now we're going to do L5. And typically when that pelvis drops, the L5 will rotate over with it. So we're going to go right on that L5. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful. And then you're going to go on your back for me. So let's check that neck now. So she's spending a lot of time looking at the books, all the adjustments, the computers, so she's going to have a lot of work in the neck for her. So let's see what she's got. And so for Jules, you can feel right up here in this upper right, definitely misaligned. Up here definitely subluxated. And that doesn't feel too hot, huh?
No.
So we're going to start with this one right here. Now because she's looking down so much, we're going to really focus on getting that proper curve back, taking a lot of tension off that neck for her. So you'll see her chin come up just a little bit right there. Around that neck. Beautiful. And that one just clumped right back in. That had been stuck for a while. And then the other one you can feel is right down here. And that lower, you can feel that big time. So again, want to get that nice curve back in her neck. Bring it around this way. Beautiful. Good. A little bit more here. Let that drop. There you go. There we go. Good. Good, good. Then we're getting that good curve. And just opening that up. Beautiful. And then the last one's cross your arms real big for me. Okay, we're gonna go right there, big old bear hug. And the first one's gonna be right up here in the upper. So take a nice deep breath all the way down. Beautiful. And then one more right here. Deep breath. All the way. There we go, good. So she is tight and nice and beat up, but that's gonna help open up those shoulders a little bit, just to kind of help her feel a little bit better.